Hello internet friends, I wanted to make a quick video around the concept of cinematic guitars. Getting more cinematic, you get the idea. Here's another one. All of these are done with pretty simple Native Instruments guitar rig effects that if you've got something similar, all the concepts should apply pretty easily. I've seen lots of products come out with sampled cinematic guitars. So this first one is basically, I just picked a country setting for the bass guitar sound and then added this grain delay, and it shows the high versed preset here, and then it's just a matter of tweaking your dry wet. We'd want to choose some notes that have the same kind of quote-unquote cinematic qualities that you'd be using in your other instruments. Here's the same idea in a little bit lower range. Slowly mixing in the effect. And so all we're doing is basically adding a reversed delay in there. And that's basically it. I mean, a lot of the cinematic aspect of it is not in the playing, but in heavily processing the effects. Let's listen to this part without the guitar rig. So this is the dry guitar. And then you add the effects in. That reverse delay does a lot of the work for you. Moving on to a bend. Now you can do a lot with bends in general. This is kind of a distant metal guitar kind of sound. So the raw guitar track that was recorded by the pickups is kind of a power chord with a whammy bar bend. And then I think the most interesting aspect of the effects processing is this sub-octave and upper octave and square and filter that's being applied with guitar rig here after a compressor. I've also got an attack envelope, so the envelope of the attack is very much slower. And you can hear that the sub isn't tracking perfectly well. It kind of pops in and out. But that actually works for me. You put it through a amp and a cab, maybe throw on some delays and verb. This is just jangly chords with the humbucker, or actually it's a single coil pickup in the bridge position. But it's just a standard suspended chord strummy kind of thing. And all we did here was add one of these things in guitar rig called container. Let's collapse it all. And I was just picking this preset Edge of Infinity. There's all of these different presets. What they are big effect chains. So you open up Edge of Infinity and you get this kind of flangey, filtery, echoey sound. Don't like that? Let's pick another one. Just a decent preset to throw in there. It's called Texturize. So the bottom line is pick some evocative notes and don't be afraid of really heavy processing and really getting spacey with it.